Good morning, everybody. If I can get everything set up right before, I think FOMC, is that today or is it tomorrow? I don't know. I thought it was today at 10. It might be at 2. I don't know. But if we can catch it, I will. I just have to get a couple things set up and get TikTok going. Let's see what we shall see. And it is 7/31/24 Wednesday. Sorry, I missed market open this morning. Had some personal stuff to take care of. Family comes first every time without hesitation, just so we're all on the same page. Nothing personal, but family comes first times a million. So sorry, I don't even know what happened at open. I don't even know if things went up. I don't even know if things went down. I have no idea. I have no idea what's happening with FOMC. If FOMC is today, please someone let me know. If it is 10 o'clock, please someone let me know. All right, I think we're golden. Morning, LT. Morning, Tandy. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Mike Mahoyan. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning, Jones. Oh, yeah, family always comes first. I mean, it's not even a question in my mind. Let's see. What happened at open? Did anyone make any moves at open? Let's see. So there was a 5-minute buy right before open on US 30. Usually like checking out the 3 minutes. There's a buy NAS right now. There's a buy SPX 5-minute right now. But let me check that a little more thoroughly. I don't know where the fuck we're at with anything. Oh, let me get TikTok up and running too. Shit. Is there FOMC at 10 o'clock this morning or not? I'd love to trade it with you guys if there is. Sing and go bye-bye. All right, we're live on TikTok now. Oh, shoot. I got to get that set too, though. We're live on YouTube. We're live on TikTok. And we're live on Twitch. Not X yet. I'm going to try to get us live on X soon. Okay, there we go. All right. Oh, FOMC is at 2 p.m.? Oh, fuck it. Someone said it was at 10. I wondered why they would have it at 10 because it's always at 2. Oh, fuck it. I was trying to rush on here to get here to trade everything with you guys. Ah, fuck. NAS, buy. Hold on. Let me whip through these real quick. Sell. Hold on. 10 second, 15 second. 15 seconds, sell. I don't think so. I think it's done with that. 1 minute sell, 1 minute buy, stop SPX. You're a little late on NAS. 3 minute, 5-minute buy, 10-minute buy, 15-minute buy. It's a 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop on US 30. But let me see something on that there. Hold on. We had sell here, sell in the middle, buy with an M15. Let me see real quick. Yeah, no, that's a buy. To the blue line. Already there. Play any buy stop you can find on NAS, SPX, and US 30 from 10 second to 15 minute. Well, son of a bitch. Thanks for letting me know it's at 2. I knew it was at 2 o'clock. I think it was Ori actually said that we had FOMC at 10 this morning, but that was early on. It might be his time. You know, it's a different time zone everybody's in. Son of a bitch. Well, that fucking sucks. I was rushing like hell, trying to get on. I was like, why is FOMC at 10? Damn it. Should have known better. Oh, well. Can you guys hear me better now? I pulled the microphone up to my face and I have a boom coming. Well, a microphone thing where I can move it around and push it to my face. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Greg. Good morning, John. Good morning, China. Good morning, Flight 379, Greg. Thank you for being on both. Well, son of a bitch, me rushing home was for no good. All right, let's see. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Good morning, Kim again. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning, Jones. Good morning, Mike. Oh, that's Skin. Good morning, Andrew Frejo. Morning, made $575 demo on NAS and H&H, working on getting my groove back, working on the patient's part has been biggest struggle. Nice. Well, I'm glad you're doing better, Andrew. It'll come around. Just hang in there. Lotus, good morning. LT. Good morning, John. Again, thank you for letting me know the 2 p.m. time, LT. And good morning, LT. Good morning, Mr. C. Good morning. Oh, thank you for saying it's good quality audio. Who knows who knew when you spoke into a mic, it actually helps. I didn't. And you guys think I'm smart. Good morning, Priscilla. Okay, I think that's everybody. Well, now that I'm in no rush, we can actually do things the right way. I swear, I was like, damn, if I can get home, and I can go over here and I can get on the thing. It was funny as fuck. Shout out and prayers to my mom. And she's doing wonderful. So thank you guys for everything. All right, well, let's start off with everything like we normally do. We are the only trading system in the world that is United States of America trademark. This isn't applied for. Let me be clear on this. This is from Kathy Vidal, or whatever her name is. She's the trademark director. And this is a registered trademark to me and my wife for Class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. How do you like that? Who was that Doorcast that was on this morning? Silly little person. So there's that. And then here's our little disclaimer, legal disclaimer. Been checked out by multiple lawyers, thank God. I am not a financial advisor. You always see this up top over here. Demo trade only. I am what's called a social media influencer, as weird as that is to me. I have a great, fantastic store through YouTube. Buy all the shit you want from there. It's high quality. Remember, you guys are all adults. You make your own decisions. Remember that I'm only trading the green up arrow and the red down arrow. Please type yes if you understand I'm not a financial advisor. Please type yes if you understand that this is a trademark system, NDA protected, that meaning we'll sue the living fuck out if you try to steal anything. Please type yes if you understand we only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow. And I'll wait for just a couple of those. Thank you, Marcus. Good morning, Marcus. Good morning, Builder Valdis. We're going back to Vegas for another month, Builder, in September. Good morning, Jeremy Schwartz on TikTok. Welcome, everybody on TikTok. Yeah, I was rushing like a son of a bitch, and for no reason. Sounds really good. Reminds me of Howard Stern. Howard Stern, oh boy. New to trading. What time zone is 2 p.m.? It's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Zone, China. They always do it on a 4 o'clock candle, a 4-hour candle. I don't want to get into that, but they do. So that's why they release news at 2. Howard Stern. He is funny. At one time he was okay. He's kind of annoying, doesn't let other people talk. I don't know, whatever. Yeah, what LT said. He answered all the time zones. I can't do that. I'm not that good. All right. Yay. Well, there we go. Made some call outs for NAS, SPX, and US 30. Let's take a look at gold. Already passed it. Cheap money on gold. 3, nope. 1 p.m. Nope. 3 minute. Nope. 5 minute. 10 minute. 15 minute. Come on, really? Well, we ain't making shit on this one. Must be a 2-hour or something. No. 3-hour. 4-hour. No. Buy. 12-hour buy. 12-hour daily buy. Did I not tell you that I love the 12-hour daily buy on gold? Could have swore I said that like 3 billion times. Bye. You'll notice something right here. You guys should put this on. One of our members, I forgot his name. I got to give him credit. Puts this on his chart, so he always remembers to look for the green up arrow and the red down arrow. It's our logo. I would recommend you do that. You come over to here, hit this little thing. It says choose your image, upload the image, put it on whatever thing you want to do it on, hit OK, boop, and there it is. Nice. Are you going to talk into bed and feed her a little? Little mama. Little mama. Gonna be with you. Bye, bye, bye. Yo, Keith's in the house. The great, the man, the myth, and the legend. Keith Palmer. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Keith. The coding legend. Good morning, Tony Villavosa. Okay, Slaughter's name. What's up, Anthony? 4th payout, by the way. Keith, what's up, Keith? Erica, yes. Eric, yes. Michael Moyne, yes. Builder Voss, yes. Builder Las Vegas. Keith. Keith, I don't know if you saw this or not, because I don't know how often Keith's so busy. I don't think he makes it in the Discord too often. But if you come over to here where the great Keith Palmer is doing a lot of his coding, then he comes over to here, and then he comes over to not here. That's Tommy. He did kick ass. Oh, there it is. This is the 4th payout for Anthony Villabose. He made $3,000 4 times. We have hundreds, and I mean some people have 20 to 30 funded accounts themselves. We have hundreds upon hundreds of people with funded accounts. Anthony right here, Tony Villabose, is one of a handful that actually shows their payouts. The payouts are much more impressive. Congrats, Standing O for Anthony. Well, I call him Tony, but whatever he likes to be called. There you go. Congratulations on his 4th $3,000 funded payout. Other than Tommy and maybe 1 or 2 others, I'm telling you, he's pulled out the most money I've seen out of a funded account. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. You deserve every praise you're getting. This takes nothing away from Marty. This gentleman right here did some demo trading. Marty made $202,677 in demo trading for the month. He had some swap fees in there. He had some losses in there. And then he had a lot of wins in there. Very proud of him too. Very, very proud of Tony too. Look over here. You have Kick. This gentleman right here has been with me since the beginning. He's the one that put together the Discord you guys are in. That's how long he's been with me. He made $4,700. I also know that Kick personally took out $300,000 out of his trade account, put it in his personal account last year. Or I'm sorry, this year. It was earlier this year. Yep. So I know he makes a shit ton of money with us. J Flow showing his money. There's success story after success story. So all the haters out there say, oh, the system doesn't work and I'm going to quit it. Don't be such a pansy. Yes, walk away and quit it for a minute and then come back and try it again. Eventually it'll click in where you start making $1,750 a day in 27 minutes. Okay? Just like Parker did. Right there. Just like Tommy does. Just like Pete did. Look at Pete over here. Pete made $4,310. I'm sorry. Net profit was only $2,309. He had a couple losses. No big deal. He netted $2,300. Fantastic, Pete. Very proud of you. FX Wolf, $7,000 the other day he made. So you can't say the system doesn't work. You can say that you haven't taken the time to learn the system. That's true. Raider Trader made money the other day. Look at all this money done by Parker again. People just make money. Trust me. So how do they make money? Well, I guarantee you they don't make money using the actual chart that's given to you from TradingView. I 100% guarantee you that no one makes money off of a raw chart. No one. Now, I can kind of come close with certain setups that I see, like this one right here with the M's and all that stuff. But without any of my indicators on there, it is near impossible. How do I know that? If you type into Google, what do you type into Google? Do 99% of all traders lose money? Retail traders lose money. That is 100% fact. So retail traders only have their charts look like this. Then they start putting on stupid loser indicators. What do they put on here? They put on volume and VWAP onto this raw chart. It loses 99% of the time. What else do they do? Oh, I don't know. They go ahead and put look to the left, ascending, descending. They draw wedges. You want to know how dumb these some of these traders are? It drives me nuts. They'll draw, oh, this right here, this is an ascending wedge, so it's going to mean that this trade is going to, they don't know fucking shit. They do support and resistant lines. Literally, I paid a lady, I think it was a couple grand, to go ahead and draw. She drew lines on 4 hour, 1 hour, daily, 2 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, weekly, monthly. She had lines up the whole damn chart. Everything was support and resistance. I'm like, well, how the fuck do you know what to do with this? Well, what's support? What's resistance? She had lines and she drew the thin lines. And there was hundreds of thin lines by the time she was done marking up her charts. I go, what good is this? Everything's a fucking support and resistance. Support and resistance doesn't work 99% of the time. You know what else doesn't work? Naming of candles. You want to know how stupid that is? Let's take a look at some of these candles and they name them. These people, I never fell for that one. They'll say, this is a, oh God, I forgot all the candle patterns. Well, there's railroad cars when they switch, and then there's morning star and evening star, and this is a hammer. I make this part up. Thor's hammer, hammer of the gods, and it's going to go up. But then what happens when they're not candles? What happens when they're actually Renko candles? Well, how do you name a Renko candle then, peeps? Oh, what do you mean? Well, how do you know when it's actually just a line? How do you know when you use Heiken ashy candles? How do you know when they don't know? They know nothing. Every trader out there is scared. Every trader out there doesn't know what they're doing. Every trader out there, and I'm not saying I'm the only one that figured it out. There's some other guy that's a billionaire, but all he was doing is making ticks. He was just going for a tick here, a tick there, and he bet $1 million for one pip. Well, that isn't trading either. Get the fuck out of here. You want to learn to trade? You can't just use this. You can't just use the chart. A blank raw chart. You can't use the indicators that you're normally used to. I know those indicators. I bought and or used thousands of indicators over my first 5 years. I built my own indicators, thousands. Not only that, you can look inside my thing right here. There's probably 50 to 100 indicators right in here that I built that are currently being used, not including the thousands I built before. Trust me. You can't use a blank chart to trade. Anyone that tells you can, tell them to come on my live. I'll trade against them using my my signal service. I won't even give them the dignity to trade against me until they defeat the signal service. Then I'll trade against them using my own indicators, and let's see who fucking wins 100 out of 100 times and who doesn't. Oh, I know it sounds cocky and I know it sounds arrogant, but it isn't. I trust in God. God gave me the system. God blessed me with the knowledge. I give all credit to God for every victory that we have trading. Everything to do with the system I give to God. So if you don't like my attitude, it's called tough shitness. If you don't like the fact that I give praise and glory to God, tough shit, leave. I don't care if you believe in God. The biggest compliment I ever had is one of our members actually, literally, believed in God because he said, there's no way I can make this many correct calls after a year of watching. He was an atheist, and he said, there's no fucking way. He said, there's no way that you can make so many correct calls without it coming from God. And I said, yep, that's why I give God the glory. I don't care if you call God Jesus or Muhammad or a flying spaghetti monster, but to think that this information came from me or from nothingness is silly. I'm not smart enough, and nothing this doesn't even exist. That's the bullshit of life. There is a creator. There is a supernatural being. He has blessed me with this knowledge, and he's let me pass it along to all of you. This right here cannot be traded. We had some Jack Pine, Mike V earlier say, I'd rather take a chart with nothing on it. Well, good for you, Mike. You're the only moron on earth that would take a trade based off of nothing. Good job. Why don't I just turn it into lines for you, Mike, so that you can have a lot of fun with that and then make some trades. There you go. Actually, I'd use the lines before I'd use the candles. They're actually more usable. People out there are clowns. We live in a clown world. No one on earth would take this empty chart over my simplified, easy to use, color-coded charts. No one on earth. I don't give a fuck who they are. They might be the greatest trader on earth. If I explain my system to them and show them how they can see this is a buy stop right here and this trade is going up 99.99% of the time, and they can see that, they would take it. That's why my system works. That's why there's thousands and thousands of users with it. Why? Because it's made for beginners. I take this useless, shitty chart over here that's totally 100% useless. I add my indicators to it, green, 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 red, green, green. It's a buy stop and it goes up. I added on this sniper so that people can see these trades easier. And then I literally see this code. You see the code right here? There's a fucking signal service that never misses that tells you this is a buy. See it? So there you go. You can trade like this right here. Here it is. Watch. This is the exact same thing. Watch right here. This orange line right here is exactly this orange line. This orange line is on the chart they give you when you first start. There's no way in hell you know this is a buy stop. You take my signal service, or my signals. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and our logo 11, and then the signal itself 12. There's 12 different indicators saying this is going to go up, none over here. 12 indicators over here, it's going to go up, none over here. 12 indicators it's going to go up over here with my system, 0 over here. But sure, Mike V, go ahead and take the 0 indicators. Right. Good call, silly man of earth. Good morning, Tony Plesh. I'm over here on a roll. Well, I'm so glad I didn't have to rush into FOMC. Good morning, Larry Cooper. You can call me Tony. Thank you, Tony. I'm pretty sure I should be one of your best friends now that you made $12,000 with my system, huh, Tony? No, we're not really friends. But you can call me a strong acquaintance. Easy money today on the gold and NAS buys at open. Oh, thanks, Mr. C. I'll have to look at those. NAS M10 blast through. Nice, Mr. C. Amen to that, coach. That's the best news yet. There you go. All right. So did everyone get my rant? Let's take a vote. 7s, if you think my system with green, 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 red is better than the no system, or 9 if you think nothing on a blank chart is better. Let's take a poll, shall we? 7s if you think my system with green, 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 red, with the blue, with hell, with a fucking line telling you when to buy it is better than nothing. And if you say 9, then just go ahead and leave, bro, because you are moronic. I have no time to help you out. If you can't see as a beginner or anyone's experienced trader trying to tell me that a blank chart is better than, like Mike V did, than my system, get the F out, bro. Oh my gosh. Talking about ignorance at its finest. I have no time for you. None. Woo! Speechless, perfect 50. Correct, Tanny. Correct. Where can I buy it, says Abraham. You can buy it right over here. Right here. Hi, my system can help you make consistent profits through trading. Doesn't that sound stupid? But it's true. Works on over 1,000 trading view symbols and futures. Yes, it works on futures. Trade with any broker, you're like, fuck yeah. Tier 3 signals get all the indexes. I have to adjust that one. Actually, you don't get the new one. The Holy Grails you don't get. You can buy it here at thesafetytrade.com. That's where you go to get it. Here it is right there. You can see it, thesafetytrade.com. That's where you go to. You spend $575. Let me tell you what you get for $575 and what you don't get for $575. For $575 for the year, you get this, which is called the core. You get the core, green, 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 right? Red, green, green. You get these two little EMAs. You actually get 3 EMAs. You get this blue line, which is a magnetic blue. And it's amazing. These orange lines are my actually call outs that I make. The buy line's a signal. You don't get those either. But for $575 a year, I can take that one off if you want. Hold on, we can take this down. What you get, and I'll show you how to use it. It is so easy to fucking use. Watch. Here it is. This is all you need to know how to trade is right here. If you can see this, either one, I'll just do the current one you're on right here. This buy, I'll teach every one of you in 5 seconds how to trade. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You put it right up here. You put it, it's a pending order buy stop, and it goes up and you make money. Is that in 5 seconds? That's all you need to trade. Whether it forms on the daily or the weekly or the 5-minute, when it forms this exact scenario, you take the trade and it goes up. Look, there's a 5-minute one. Gold. I can go over to US 30. I can go down to a 5-second chart. I can go down to a 5-second chart and show you. Hold on, let's go over. Here they are right here. Here's a buy stop on a 5-second chart. Here's a 1-second chart. Here's a 1 hour chart. Buy stop after buy stop. I've taught you how to trade in 5 seconds. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. That's US 30. That was gold. EURUSD. We can go to a 12-hour chart. Anytime you see that setup, that is a buy. Does it work on sells? Yes. Look right here. Here's another time it happens. This is 12-hour EURUSD. Green, 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 red. Does it work on Bitcoin? Mofo, does it work on Bitcoin? Fuck yeah, there's a 12-hour buy stop right there. You could have bought Bitcoin when it was at 42,600. You would have made almost 30,000 a coin on this 12-hour buy stop. 30,000 a coin on Bitcoin. Oh, but does it get better? Yes. Ginsu knives. Does it work on Amazon? Yes. Fucking easy as shit. Does it work on Apple? Does it work on Eurochef? Does it work on Google? Yes. HK50? Yes. Silver? Yes. Gold? Yes. Solana? Yes. NZD? Corn? Wheat? Yes. Corn? Yes. Anything else you want? It works on over 1,000 symbols, and I just taught you how to use it in seconds. That's how we, now is it that easy? No, you guys have to have time to learn. It's learning a new language. Tommy learned it in 10 minutes, but most people take 4 to 6 months to learn it. But that's why I made the sniper. The sniper is currently $150 going to $250 a month. For $250 a month, you get this blue and pink thing down here. Incredible. You add it on to what I just taught you, the green, 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 red thing for buys and the opposite for sells. It's impossible, almost impossible to miss. Some of you still have trouble with it. I get that, but it's still so easy to use a sniper. It's a joke. I'll show you how to use that in about a minute. Then if you don't want to do that, then you can buy the signal service anywhere from $150 to $350 a month. I don't give a fuck which one you get. Unlimited for $350, but this holy grail trade that's coming. Whoo, fuck me. Oh my gosh, you guys don't have a clue of what is in store for you, how great your trading is going to be and how easy it is. Easiest shit ever. Look, here's one of the holy grail, not quite holy grail trades right here. This is one of them. This called out right here. You would have got in here at 65,000. You would have made it up to 70,000. Here's another one back here. Look how easy when the signals tell you what to do. These are market order trades. You can do demo market execution order. Look at this shit. This one would have been from 42,000 and change up to 70. So you'd have made over $30,000 a coin if you'd have listened to these ones. 100% reading the charts just like I do. That's why they're so fucking good. I never thought I could get to this level of entry for you, though. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop daily. You're getting these for free, by the way, if you're in your tier 1 or tier 2 or tier 3. Me and Bree have done this through the great Keith, our coder Keith Palmer. And what we're doing is sending all of these almost holy grail trades into this room. And if you're tier 1, you get 10 of these free added on to your $150 a month. If you're tier 2, you get 20 of these if they form a month. They will. In tier 3, you get unlimited, almost holy grail trades a month. You get it for Bitcoin. You're going to get it for EUR, USD, GBP, JPY, gold, and US 30. NAS and SPX are what's called holy grail trades. Those are even more accurate. And I'm not even sure the almost holy grail trades can miss. If you want to look back with me, we can go look back and you'll see that they never make a wrong call. The freedom signal indicators that you have on your charts, you can chart on any symbol, not the fucking 5 that we give you. You can chart it on 1,000 of them and make the right call. It's incredible. That's all I can tell you. Any questions over everything I just ranted on about? Oh, little mama bing bing. All right. What do we got? Sevens. Great job. Get the fuck out. You didn't. He said, Ginsu. Yeah, I don't have TradingView. Can I? No, absolutely. You can trade anywhere you want. You have to use it in TradingView. It only gets installed in TradingView. You have to have premium to use everything. They do 90% off sales all the time. Just buy the premium for a month, wait a month for one of their little advertisements, a holiday or something. Then you can get TradingView for like premium for like $9 a month, $12 a month. It's the only thing it goes on. Good morning, JTF6. Good morning, and God bless you. Nope, only TradingView. If you don't want TradingView, get the fuck out. I don't care. Again, I'm not here to sell you on the system. That's why you guys are so confused with everything. I'm not here to push the system on you. I have 3 things in life I do. Number 1, I do God's will while I'm on earth here. I happen to believe in Jesus. Again, I don't care if you believe in Flying Spaghetti Monster or Muhammad or where Buddha. I don't care. I just happen to want to do God's will while I'm on earth. So I pray that I do that, and I ask him for guidance, help every day. Number 2, I take care of my family, my wife and my children and all of my family to the last dying breath I have. I will take care of my family no matter what. Period. Number 3, I am here to help each and every one of you make consistent profits, whether that's you stealing my signals that I give out for free, which is cool until you have enough money to buy my system, do it. But I'm here to teach you all how to make money trading, consistent profits trading. Why? Because the scumbags in this world, and I lost for 5.5 years, five and a half years, the scumbags out there that taught me and taught every one of us, every one of our retail traders out here, we all lost money. And I am not allowing that to occur. I am not allowing that to occur. What do I mean? I literally will teach you all how to make money, give out free signals until I'm in the grave. I will help you all make money, consistent money trading. Thank God my brother saw the light finally. No longer doing that stupid ass shit with 6 charts open, 30-second trades. You fucking trade on the daily, weekly, and you wait. My brother now has 5 fucking trades going, a couple hundred here, $50 there. Doesn't matter. It's the fact that he has trades open. He's not looking at every 2 seconds. I'm so proud of him. So look, when you look over here and you type in, this isn't me. Go to Google. Type this in now. Don't be lazy. Studies have shown that more than 97% of day traders lose money over time, and less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. We had some Jack Pine in our group that quit because he's a quitter. Instead of trying again and asking for help, he quit, saying that Head and Shoulders is right 83% of the time. Head and Shoulders is wrong, and you will lose money with Head and Shoulders every fucking time. It's too subjective. There is no exact way to do Head and Shoulders. Every one of us has lost money. Every one of you. There's thousands of people who have bought the system. Trust me. Every one of us. I lost $26,500 over it, which is nothing. We have Dr. McCain, an emergency room doctor, lost over $650,000. Not on my system. He's gained thousands. I don't know how I should ask him how much he's gained back, but thousands and tens of thousands of dollars back. But less than 1% of the day traders are actually profitable. But I guarantee you that when you look at their charts, they're set up blank like this. like I was for 6 months or so, or they tried every other indicator in the history of the world. That sucks, right? They all lag except for my indicators, period. And they all try to do volume and VWAP. It fails 99% of the time. It's not me saying it. It's Google, a 14-year study saying that less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. So your support and resistance fails you 99% of the time per Google. If you try to use volume, VWAP, and block trading, fails 99% of the time per Google. If you try to go ahead and use look to the left, naming of candle and candle patterns, Fibonacci retracements. Yeah, I tried Fibonacci retracements. They don't fucking work. I tried it for a year and a half. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable, but we all know what volume is, what VWAP is, what a Morningstar candle is, what Fibonacci retracements are, what looking to the left ascending and descending wedges are, trend trading. We all know that shit. Yet, what is it? Here it is. Type it in. Less than 1% of us make money trading. So you can't trade using this shitty old way. You can't do it and make money. What you can do is come over here, buy my freaking system, let it be color-coded, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. What do you know? It goes up. What do you know? Look at this. If that doesn't work for you, spend $150 a month. Well, while you can, it's going to be $250 soon. Get the sniper. Let the sniper make the call for. If you can't do that, then buy the signal service, which trades for you. Demo trading for you. It tells you what to do. If it says buy, take the buy. If it says sell, take the sell. What the fuck more do you want from me? There's trading simplified for you, each and every one of you. If you can trade on your own and you like the raw system just like this right here, get it. $575 a year. If you need the sniper, get it. $250 a month. If you want the signal service, anywhere from $150 to $350 a month additional. That's all. Don't tell me you don't know how to trade. Don't tell me you're a beginner. Don't tell me that I'm new to this. Who the fuck cares? New people do better than all the experienced traders ever. Well, Tommy was experienced more than 99% of my traders. If you're raw and you have no trading experience, buy the signal service, spend $150 for that, $150 a month for the sniper, spend $300 a month, and you'll get calls told to you when to take a buy or sell. Demo only, but you'll get the calls to do it. Okay. Thank you, Larry, for speaking up. It is life-changing. Good morning, says Rocket. You know what, Rocket? It's the same mic I've always had. It's only $150, $200. I could have swore I paid $300 for it. But at any rate, I actually talk into the mic instead of having it like 2 or 3 feet away from me. So that's how stupid I am. I lost a lot of money using fibs. Yeah, I know. TST works. Buy it. It's life changed. I have 4 3,000 payouts thanks to say it. Go ahead. Thank you, Tony, for speaking up and saying that. Would anyone here like to tell Tony, where's Mike V at? Anyone here like to call Tony a liar, that he didn't have these drawouts, that he made these things up somehow right here, that this isn't really his drawout thing right here, that Tony is a liar. He doesn't have $3,000 coming to him for the 4th time. Anyone here like to call Tony? Because Tony, let me give you a hint, and everyone here that has bought the system, when you see a hater come on here, which are rare these days because they're so dumb they can't hate anything, they don't have a clue what they're talking about. But we used to have haters come on here. You can't have haters come on here because now I have fucking lines up on the signal service up here with the lines that never retrace, never repaint, they call it, never move. They're there in stone for life. You can't call Tony a liar because here's his fucking certificate saying he's got $3,000. You want Tony to open up his $3,000 and his checking account and show you? Fuck that. He's showing you right here that this is his 4th one that he's done it. Anybody here want to call Tony a liar? Anyone out there? Anyone out there? Any hater want to speak up now and say that Tony hasn't made $12,000? Speak up now. Don't be shy. Where's all the haters at now? Go ahead and call Tony a liar. See what he does to you. I hope he shreds you to pieces. I'm telling you, the system works. Tony's telling you. Larry's telling you. Mr. C's telling you. Tommy's telling you. Tommy made a $200,000 trade, a little over and change. I've never made it. I've never made a $200,000 trade. When you start trading in $5,000, all of a sudden your mind goes fucked. $10,000 trades. I'm like, holy fuck. I think my most was like, I can't remember. It was like 43,000. I want to say it was 70 something thousand. But you're talking about a 30, $40,000 trade. Your mind goes into conniptions. No, I don't lose trades that often, and I still haven't made a $200,000 trade. That's how badly I lost for 5.5 years. I lost every fucking trade for like 2-3 years straight. I didn't win one. I couldn't even win a penny. I thought, oh, yeah, I'm going to get a penny. Then by the time you took out the 20 cents or whatever it was to get in the trade, I lost. I was like, motherfuckers. I couldn't win anything. I'd place 2 trades. Well, I'm going to go ahead and straddle this thing. I'm going to go ahead and do a buy. I'm going to do a sell. I'll do it at this level. Nope. The one went down, went up. I lost. I sold it. I went down, put my stop loss in, tapped it out. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't even win when I fucking do a illegal trade, which you can do when you're not in the actual forex.com or some American broker. You're allowed to do that. But I still lost. So yeah, don't tell me the system doesn't work. F all of you. Go ahead and speak up. Try it. Try it on TikTok. What's up, Ryan? Morning, Ryan. Try it on YouTube. Yeah, I didn't think so. I bullshit enough. None of you spoke up. Where's all the haters now when there's a guy telling you he's withdrawing, showing you he's withdrawing 3,000 times for his 4th time? Bet you if I scoot it up here, I can find the rest of them. Oh, wait, can't I search for him? I think I can search for, let me see. I think it's in a search thing over here on the right. I'm not good with Discord. That's what I'm telling you. Tommy made Discord for you guys. Matter of fact, I was so hateful for Discord. I was about to disband Discord the first year we had it open. Now I'm okay with it. I thought it was become a big, one big bitch session where everyone just started complaining. I wasn't going to have it, but no, everyone's real supportive and nice. So we're good. Yeah. And he's not the only one. Look at all the money these people are making. It's everybody over and over and over. Look, money, money, more money, a call out. There's another trade. There's some more money. Here's a video of the money. Here's some more money. Here's Parker money. Here's someone else's money. FX Wolf again. This is Shane App's money. Yeah, Shane makes a fucking killing on these things. How much was this one? This is a few thousand. He made a shit ton on those trades. I'm trying to look for there it is. There's FX Wolf's next previous 3,000, Tony's 3,000 payout. Third payout, $3,000. Current payout, $3,000. Crazy. Tell me this shit doesn't work. Do you mind if I post the report on the payouts? No, do it right now, Tony. Thank you for asking. Yep. Now, I explained to you how Tony does this, and somebody says, oh, what's the secret sauce, Tony? I want to direct message you, Tony. You're so good, Tony. And I'm telling you, Tony can't teach you anything other than what the rules are. And I do believe he actually follows the rules. And all he can say is follow the fucking rules and you'll win. I don't think he uses a signal service, but if he does, if you don't like the rules or you can't follow them, then buy the damn signal service. It tells you when to fucking take the trade. There's Bitcoin. Let's see if there's any correct. Oh, look at that. It called out 2 correct ones. Matter of fact, just like I did, because it's me. This is me in a bottle right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, green, green, green. That's US 30. Let's see if it did NAS. NAS, it made a correct call. Really? Let's see if it did SPX. SPX, it did a correct call. Let's see if it did gold. Gold, it did 1, 2, 3 correct calls. Let's see if it did oil. Oil, no calls. EUR USD, did it do a correct call? No calls. In a recent memory. GBP JPY, correct call once, correct call twice. Let's go ahead and AUD USD. Any correct calls or any calls? No calls at all. USD CAD. Correct call, correct call, correct call, correct. 4 correct calls. USD CAD. XRP. Any correct calls or not? No correct calls at this level. There's all kinds of levels. Is there a call on Ethereum? Yes, there is. Did it make money? Already did. Bitcoin, yes, went up twice, once and twice. $30,000 it made a correct call on a Bitcoin. I can keep going. Amazon, did it make any correct calls? Yes. 1, 2, 3 correct calls for Amazon. KAD, JP, Canadian, Japan, did it make a correct call? Yes, right here. AU 200, did it make a correct call? Once, yes, it went up. Once, yes. See the call? When it says buy and it says green, that means it's going to go up. Did it go up? That's what I mean by fucking correct call. Yes, it did. Apple, did it make a correct call? Yep, right here. This is a weekly right here. Yes, it did twice. EURAUD, make a correct call. Yes, it did. And it was a weekly one and 2 single ones. EUR Chef, did it make a correct call? Yes, it did. It went up right there directly right after the call. EUR Japan, did it make 2 correct calls? Yes, it did. 1 up, 2 still going up. I don't even know what the fuck that is. I don't know what Gary is. GBB AUD, GBB AUD. Did it make a correct call? There's none showing. Oops, there's one way over here. Yes, made a correct call right there. This is a signal service. Is there been one incorrect call? Nope. Here's another buy. Matter of fact, buy stop to the blue line. GBB Chef, weekly buy stop, daily weekly buy stop to the blue line. By the way, on this one right here, it made a sell stop call. It doesn't just call buys correctly, calls sells correctly. And here's a buy. It called correctly. Yes and yes. GBB New Zealand, did it make a correct call? Once, yes. It went, you can obviously, that's way higher than that call. GBB USD, did it make a correct call? Yes, it did twice. This is a signal service I'm talking about. Making correct call after sell stop. Yes, it went down. Sell stop. Yes, it went down. GME. Google, did it make a correct call? Once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it made a correct call. 6 times it made a correct call. Yes, on Google. HK50, sell stop. Looks like it went down slightly, went down. This could be an iffy call right here. I have to see this. Let me see. Did it go down off the red? Let's take a look. Did it make a correct call? Yes, it went down. How much did it go down? Not much. I'd have to look into it. I don't like this trade being called. I'm assuming it had to do something wrong. It might not have to update it. It only made 135 pips, and I consider that an almost incorrect call. It only made 135 pips. Are you fucking kidding me? 135 pips. Professional traders can't even make 10 pips in a day. Buy, stop, correct call in Hilton. IVR, Ivermilken? I don't know what that is. I don't know. Litecoin. We had one iffy call that only made 135 pips. Buy Litecoin. Hold on. Let's go make sure we're on the right thing here. It went up slightly. Hold on. This isn't a correct call. This isn't even correctly coded. This is an incorrect code. Blue line isn't high. Pink line isn't low. It's the opposite. These are incorrect. I'll have to get with Keith on that. So these are incorrect calls, but it's not. It actually made money. It went up both times, but that's an incorrect call. They shouldn't have been called. I don't know why these are called. McDonald's. Let's see McDonald's. Correct call. Let's see Microsoft. Correct call. Oh, it's about to. Microsoft, buy stop, daily, weekly. Daily, it's not down enough on the weekly up for it to call it. Buy stop, Microsoft, daily, weekly. Netflix. Buy, it's going to be the same thing. No, it's not down low enough on the weekly to make this call. I'm making it. Netflix, buy, stop, daily, weekly. It already made one correct call back here. It's not low enough. You have to make this call. I'm making the call early for you. Why can I trade better than it? Because I coded everything I could into it, but it's still not me. I still have a few tricks up my sleeve. NVIDIA, correct call. And there's so many. Look at 1, 2, 3. You want to see NVIDIA? Correct call after fucking correct call. It never misses, ever. I knew NVIDIA because we looked at it before with their earnings and bullshit. We looked at it. I can't. I mean, you want me to stop saying correct call after correct call? Let's see if wheat. I don't know if it can read these. See, it should be reading one right here. I don't know. I'd have to look into that a little further. USD JPY, correct call. Should have called one here too. It's about to call another one. Yeah. Yeah, I love this trade. Follow it down. Follow this down as it goes down. We're following it. Where am I at? I can't follow. I'll try it off this one. Let me see the daily real quick. Yeah. Daily, weekly buy stop. USD JPY. Love it. How far is it going to go on the monthly, though? Let me see. Yeah, you can. No, you can take this off the monthly right here. Buy stop. Off the monthly line. USD JPY. And it made 2 correct calls, by the way, just so you're clear. Yeah, that's where I'm pulling it down to. Correct call right here. Buy, stop, up it went. Interesting that of all the ones that was wrong, it was Litecoin and didn't have the right code read. It was reading it as a buy when it was actually a sell. I don't understand that on Litecoin. Wonder what's up with Litecoin that's that different. Look how nice that fucking is. All right, Trade Gun. Good morning, Ryan and Trade Gun. $55. Keep trade. Just using the system when I'm done with the prop firm account. The only and best system in the world. Thanks, Kev. 55 million? Holy fucking shit. I always try to keep my paper money realistic. I'm never going to trade millions. Right, if I post a report and you posted it. All right, Anthony, let me take a look. All right, let's take a look. I hope that didn't bore you all with that stuff, but it's just exciting to me when you see it. Let's see. He posted it here. Proof of my payout by using a safe trade system. Thank God. Oh, yay. Let's give him. I love giving everybody the super things. Boof. Do. Thank God for that. Nice heart. I always go overboard. Money bags, some power, some money tongues, some more happiness. It's a great thing. You guys should celebrate this shit. It's fucking awesome. All right. Let me see his actual report now. Let's click in. PA payment showing 4 records. I know I can click this, open browser, come over to here, click this larger. Apex. Oh shit. Should I not show any of this? Tony, is it okay to show everything right here? It's a little late. I guess I can cut the feed. Approved, paid. Look at that shit. Woo! 10 days, 21 days, 31 days, 41. Dude, it's like every fucking 10 days he's making fucking $3,000. Hey, I didn't even know you're allowed to draw out that often. That's fucking awesome. Holy fucking shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Every 10 days you're making $3,000. Look at this as your payout. And you guys want to get a side job driving an Uber? Feel free, but you ain't making this kind of fucking money driving no Uber. Door dashing. Hell fucking no, you ain't. Wow, good for damn, Tony. Well, Tony, now that you love me, now that I'm your best friend, don't forget the small people in your world. No, I'm very happy for you. I don't need anything. I'm just kidding. My God, me and Bree do everything we want anytime we want. Buy each other everything. Buy our family. Buy my kids cars, for the love of God. Buy my kids houses. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm doing okay. I'm just kidding about anything. But he's not. Look at those payouts. June 4th, $3,000. June 18th, $3,000. July 3rd, $3,000. July 17th. I'm telling you, every 2 weeks, this mofo's pulling out $3,000. Tony, holy fucking shit, bro. Woo! Ric Flair. Drip. Oh, no, he's going to start being Ric Flair. Maybe Ric Flair start hanging out with you. Look at that. Awesome. What is that guy you use? Who the fuck is this? Oh, I can't get up there. There it is. Apex. See, that's interesting because I heard some horror stories about Apex. Well, I'm glad they're not fucking with you. Very happy. Here's another dude. 4,000, 5,000, 6. I mean, come on, peeps. How much more do you want before you buy a system to make money? And Tony, you haven't been in the system that long, have you? I don't think he has. I don't even know if Tony's been in here 6 months. Could not have done it without your teaching in the safe trade. Yay! Thanks, Tony. Yes, that is fire. Yep. That is fucking amazing. Yeah, see how the haters don't say, oh, the system doesn't work now. Well, there's the payouts, bro. Where's Mike V at? Where's Clown Boy at? I'd rather trade with blank charts than use your system. Really, Mike? Really? No, you wouldn't. You're a scared little wussy who can't admit that you need help. Just buy the system, quit being a douche, and actually make money like Tony right here. Wow. Look at that shit. Every couple of weeks. I thought it was like every month or so. I don't know how long he's been in though. A little precious. All right. Yeah, I have had the system. Oh, you have had it over a year, Tony. How long did it take you to become profitable then? Consistently profitable, Tony. And that's my question, China. Me and China have the same exact question. Look at that shit. Buy the system. Look at that shit. Buy the system. Look at that winnings. Buy the system. About a year, said Tony. See, it does. The average is 2 to 6 months. I would say probably low end. Yes, there's Tommy. Yes, there's Heather. Yes, there's other people that make money right away. I get that. But no, the vast majority are 6 to 9 months. I'd even say to a year. Now, you can speed that up greatly, honest to God, by either getting the sniper or getting the now, because a year ago we didn't have the signal service. So now if you got the signal service, a lot of people are using it this way. They get the signal, then they make sure they saw the trade themselves correctly. That's how they're using it. So this is what they're seeing. They see this and go, hey, the signal called out this trade. Is this trade right? Oh, I see it. And they learn from the signal service. That's how a lot of people are speeding up their learning curve. I just got the sniper. My entries are more accurate now. Nice, Tony. Yeah. Sniper's all you really need. I wouldn't trade without it. But yeah, it's just, I'm so proud of you. Tony's been with us a year. Wow, you go, boy. Okay, now it's back on TikTok. All right. TikTokers, any questions? Beginners, any questions? Experienced traders, any questions? What do I think is going to happen for the FOMC today? Oh, fuck if I know. Let's take a look. Usually, we are way up high on US 30. We've had a big buy. Look at this shit. Look at this buy stop on 724. I told you for US 30. 724. I told you to do this. 7 days ago, I told you to take this buy on US 30. Look at this shit on US 30. What did I keep screaming at? Almost 900 over 900 pips, almost 1,000 pips just from that trade. I kept screaming at you guys over and over again. And this is all because of the sniper, actually. All because of the sniper. I kept saying, hey, US 30 is the best one to do because the pink line hasn't come up and touched the blue line yet. It's as simple as that. The pink line still hasn't touched it. And US 30 still going up. The fill in the gap happened. That's off your sniper, off your regular. This is a sniper. This is where the money's at. The weekly and daily charts. Everyone that's trading in those 10, 15-second charts, that's fine. Oh, this is going to go up for a while. Let me be clear on this call out. Play any 5-second through 12-hour buy stop until the daily pink line goes up to the blue line on US 30. Play any buy stop on US 30 you can find. Let's hope to God that they do this. They drag down US 30 at FOMC, and then you guys can get in again and do a buy. That's what I'm hoping for you. I have to get rid of these other ones. I got to get a way of tagging these things so I can know what the fuck I draw out. I swear it's so funny. I draw them out. I have the gold in there or NAS, and I don't have the time. I don't have the date. I wish I could mark these. EU. That's probably the daily to the blue line. I think that EU was. This is what I'm hoping it happens for your FOMC today. I hope they pull it down on US 30. And if they pull it down hard on US 30, do your demo buys until I'll do it. I hope I remember. I'll probably be busy, but I'll try to catch it and actually trade those. All right. Nice. That's sick. Yes, it is. I got this type. No, sir. What else are you going to do? Maybe a perfect pull down for reentry. Absolutely, John. That's what we're hoping for. Okay, Pooby. Booby. Coach Ryan. All right. So I am extremely happy with this trade. Extremely happy with this weekly. Watch. Let me get this out of here. We need it. We need NAS and SPX pink line to drop down further on the weekly. What the fuck they give me a warning for? Oh, get the fuck out of here, TikTok. They gave me a warning. Here's your warning, TikTok. Get the fuck out of here. See you guys on TikTok. I'm only going on YouTube. Fuck out of here. TikTok can suck my fucking cock sucking. Yeah, see you, TikTok. Yeah, give me a warning. Here's your warning. You're going to get your ass fucking taken out of the United States of America unless you start lightening up, you fucking douchebags. How about that, TikTok? You wait and see. I warned them a year ago what they used to do to everybody and still are. Blocking people's fucking comments, saying you can't say words on here. You'll see TikTok with your fucking over-the-top way you handle people. TikTok's going to get fucking taken out of America and then see how quickly you fall, mofos. I can't stand them. If I didn't get a lot of people from TikTok, I would never even use TikTok. I wish one of these other places would actually work better, but no. YouTube's good for comeback people. Twitter did nothing. Twitch does nothing. What else was I on? All those shitty ass places. We tried using a thing. I might go back to that, Instagram, but Instagram's a dying pile of shit too. The only thing that's any good is YouTube, really. TikTok blows. They just have so many fucking members, but they'll push it. They'll keep pushing people away. They'll see. They'll get theirs at the end when they're banned from America for being douches, dumbasses. I swear to God. Whatever. All right. I'll leave this up over here to remind me on that. Let me see how my two trades are doing. We're gone on TikTok. I'm still on Twitter, I think. No, Twitch. I'm on Twitch. We get nothing from Twitch. Let me see NAS real quick. 1 hour. Oh, see NAS 1 hour to the blue line. Buy. Can we do it 2 hour, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour? Yeah, it's going to hit it. SPX. Yeah. I would play US 30 at FOMC, and I would absolutely play them hoping for a pullback before 2 o'clock. And then if you get the pullback before 2 or at 2, then Canelo lovers, they can't face the Triple G in his prime would have killed Canelo. Killed him. Canelo gave up a belt and gave up $5 million not to fight Triple G in his prime. He wanted no part of Triple G. Triple G was a tank. Canelo Alvarez. He's good. He's decent, but he ain't no Triple G. Sorry, you guys probably don't know what boxing is. All right. Greg, have a great day. Jay Parker, have a great day. Thank you, sir. All right. God bless you all. Everybody have a great day. Talk to y'all later. I'm out of here. Fuck TikTok. Scum of the earth. Fucking fucktards.